Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this can label maybe or a sticker where the text is written around the shape and they want to know how to do it. So I made the shape and just real quickly I took a three-sided polygon and just drew a triangle and then went up to Windows Docker. Well, got to go to convert it to a curve most likely. And then go to Windows Dockers and corners and I rounded it off. And then I took it and I went to effects and contour and I contoured 3 times at a 1/2 inch, but you could do anything. So I've got those separated now and I've got them over here. So this is my outside of my label. This is the smallest to the biggest. I just took his question that he wrote. How can I arrange a paragraph text? Well, I don't ever work with paragraph text, so this is artistic text. Along the shown photo, the text on the edge of the label, thank you. And then I went with I turned all these into curves after I broke them apart. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And if we look, this one is 51 inches. This one is 47, the curve. And this one is 44. So I took my outside text and I made it 50 because I want a space. And the more I look at it, they're starting at a particular, like the third line doesn't even go around all the way. I went around all the way, but you could very easily have a stopping point. I made them go all the way around. So what we're going to do is take our first text, go up to text, and fit text to path. And this is where you can move it. Here's the start right here. We could move that very easily by taking the shape tool and, well, that'd be another video. I'm just showing him how to get it there. Then the second line, instead of 47, I put 46. And then I'm going to go to text. I don't think you could do it. I'm almost sure you can't do it all as one line. You can't just have a 3-lined text and have it go. Well, I'm not saying you can't, but I don't know how you would. So the next one's 47, I made it 43, just to give us a little space. And fit text to path, put on the path. Then you could, and see how I got the space down here. I'm going to nudge that over and nudge that over and nudge my outline back over. And I have wordage. I'm a little bit big. My spacing is a little bit off. And maybe I'll make a second video this afternoon on how you could get it all in one starting point. And it's just, I could have used smaller letters, but I think I get the point across. And if we take this one and make it yellow and put it back, it's kind of like the label. And if you didn't have, if you had like this, you had 3 sentences, you could have a starting path and just have a line cut here with a section in it where it would have to start there. But maybe I'll look at that later today and maybe make another video. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.